In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put an image into a shape. Now, when it comes to actually doing this, we can't actually put any type of image into a shape. So I've got this circle just here. If we go to elements, let's choose this monkey. There's no way of actually putting this into a shape, but there is a little workaround, and that's by utilizing frames. Now, to do this, what we want to do is come over to elements. Let's just clear this. Then we want to type in frames and use this first one just here. We see how it's got this little image next to it. That's what we want to click on. Now, once we've clicked on there, we have all of these different frames that we can utilize. If you want to use a shape, we can use a circle, you can use a square, and many others as well. If you scroll through these, you're going to find the shape that you want to use. Now, if we move this over, let's just get rid of this as well. With this shape, or frame shape, we can make bigger and we can make smaller. But now, with this frame, if we go back to the photo, the image that we want to use, for this example, we're going to use this monkey just here. We can click on the image, have it go onto the page, and then we can just drag it into the frame like this. Now, if we double click on the frame, we can crop this. So we have the option to move around to get the image how we want within the frame. We can also rotate this like so, or rotate it the other way as well. Now let's go back onto 0, let's click done, and now we have our image in our frame. So that's the workaround that you can do, and that's how you can put an image into a shape here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.